Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brett. I am the passive income creator, and I am so happy to have you here. In today's topic, I want to show the benefit of the One Funnel Away challenge with Clickfunnels over their 14-day free trial. In my opinion, people get caught up on that word free and they jump in way too fast. I hope I can impress upon you how the One Funnel Away challenge is a much better deal for you, particularly if you're new or if you're trying to grow your business. Before we get started, though, if I could ask you two things. One, if you could like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell so you can get notified whenever I get new videos up. And the second is that if you find this interesting and you want to get started with the One Funnel Away challenge, you can find that down in my description below this video. And again, I really appreciate your support. And let's get into the details of the video. Let's go. All right, folks, so if you're ready to learn a little bit about the new revamped One Funnel Away challenge, let's get started. And this is going to be so cool. I hope you can hear the excitement of my voice. So if you're looking to launch an online business, or even if you're just thinking about how to grow your business, I've got some incredible news for you. It's the new One Funnel Away challenge. As you already know, that's what we're talking about. The One Funnel Away challenge is one of the most popular business tools in the whole world. And there's a pretty good reason why that is. So it's set up so that you can see actual real-time results every single day for the next 30 days. And that's why, since the challenge started 2.5 years ago, there's been over 66,000 entrepreneurs and business owners that have taken the challenge, including myself. And if you think about it, it's absolutely insane. And Russell Brunson, the co-founder of Clickfunnels, just revamped the entire challenge to make it even better. You want to register as soon as you can because you're not going to want to miss a day on this challenge. None of this is fluff where you just watch a video and then you're kind of like turned out on your own to try to wing it. Now, Russell wouldn't stand for it, so he wants to give you the greatest support that there is. So Russell and his OFA team generally want you to succeed. And now they're going to go all in to make it happen for you. And that's why in the white glove and red carpet treatment, to help you guide in every step of the way to getting your first or next online business funnel up and running. I've already signed up for this myself, and this is the One Funnel Away reboot. You going to join me? We can do it together. That'd be awesome. So register again to get to the link. It's in my description below this video. I'm not going to miss this for the world. And if you want to kind of a little peek about what you can expect of the revamped version of the One Funnel Away challenge, it comes in 3 steps. So in step number 1, you have the strategy. Russell delivers your mission video training inside the secret Facebook group that you're going to be invited into. And you're going to get a mission every single day for the next 30 days. In step number 2, you have the tactics. After each mission, you're going to get a 1-page mission document with your mission critical assignment. If you complete it, you're going to see results and get 1 step closer to your personal goal. In step number 3, you have the implementation phase. And it's 3 live training sessions per week with the elite coaches and consultants of the OFA team. You can ask them questions, pick their brains, get support. They'll answer everything about the tech strategy, funnel building, your offer, your product or service, integration, you name it, they're there to help. So again, don't forget. Okay, so there you have it. I mean, that was laid out on what the One Funnel Away challenge can deliver for you. And if you look at the 14-day free trial, so let's balance them here. So you do have to pay $100 up front with the One Funnel Away challenge. That is absolutely true. But the 14-day free trial, after 14 days, you're going to be charged $97 for the Clickfunnels account. So why not just pay $100 up front and get 30 days of hands-on training from Russell Brunson himself and the One Funnel Away Challenge team? To me, it's a no-brainer. I mean, I would want to do that for my business. I wish I would have done that when I first started, but I didn't. I did the whole 14-day free trial thing. That was back last year. Had I had to do all over again, absolutely 100%, hands down, no question, the One Funnel Away Challenge would have been my choice. In particular, Russell has revamped the whole thing. So he's made it more intuitive and more hands-on and more interactive between you and his team. You're going to be far better off by choosing a One Funnel Away challenge than you will be with the 14-day free trial. And just as a reminder, if you're interested in the One Funnel Away challenge, you can find the link down in my description below this video. And I appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.